Hello and welcome to Smile in Health TV, where your smile meets total wellness. I'm Eunice Oluwatoyin Oyinyade, a passionate oral health writer, a public health advocate, and I'm so glad to have you here. On this channel, we break down oral health into simple, practical tips that you can use every day. Whether you are looking to brush up on a basis, you're caring for your family's teeth, or you just want to keep your teeth healthy and bright. From dental hygiene habits to myth-busting facts to product reviews and interviews with other health professionals. Smile in Health TV is your go-to space for trusted and easy to understand oral care information. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a new video, and please like, comment and share each of my videos. I hope to see you in my next video, and I promise you will enjoy it here.